There are a couple ways to obtain the Equipment Mobile app. First, navigate to your device's App Store. And first, we will search for the John Deere App Center. John Deere App Center is a place where a user can download and view all the apps available from John Deere. The other option is to navigate to your App Store and then just search for Equipment Mobile. Download Equipment Mobile and it'll save to your home screen. When opening the Equipment Mobile app, the user will sign in. Now, a user can access the Equipment Mobile app without a login by selecting Continue without account. But signing in with the same username and password as your operations center will link your current list of equipment from your organization into the Equipment Mobile app. Below the equipment search bar is the listing for all types of equipment. I can then filter between machines, implements, and devices. We will select the 7200R from the machine list. Below the hour reading, there will be a list of categories. Resources will provide information such as operator's manual, parts books, dealer contact, and software updates. Maintenance is where the user can view any maintenance plans for the selected equipment. Pairings will show all technology devices that are paired or connected to this machine. This will include devices such as displays, receivers, and MTG modems. Information allows the user to edit the nickname of the machine and displays the basic information about the machine, such as serial number, make, model, and the current organization. Implements will have the categories of resources and information. Devices will have all the technology hardware listed in the customer's organization. Once a device is selected, it will have the options of resources, pairings, and information. Pairings will have the equipment that these devices are paired to, and information will have the current software version. The search bar can be used to search for equipment not found in the customer's organization. When first clicking in the search box, a recently viewed list will populate. If the user has recently searched for equipment, it will show here. To the right in the search bar, there is an icon that is a tool to use a scanning option to scan the serial number plate to obtain the equipment model. We will manually type in the S790 and select the equipment to view. Once selected, the user does have the option to add this machine to their organization. When clicking in the search bar, a user will also get the option for Browse Precision Technologies. This is items such as automation, controllers, displays, and receivers. Looking at AutoPath from Boundaries and the equipment information, we could choose the video resources. Within this feature, there are resources to help a user navigate through the precision ag technologies.